Going on, everybody? So as promised, I'm going to be talking about Law 10 today. Yesterday just had a lot of work stuff, so I really couldn't get to it, but Law 10 says, infection, avoid the unhappy and unlucky. You can die from someone else's misery. Emotional states are as infectious as diseases. You may feel you are helping the drowning man, but you are only precipitating your own disaster. The unfortunate sometimes draw misfortune on themselves. They will also draw it on you. Associate with the happy and fortunate instead. So, let's start off by pretty much stating the facts, right? So, for this law, I'm actually not going to break it down with my personal opinion simply because I don't want to get you guys confused. I definitely understand it, and I probably could, but I'm actually going to be using businesssummaries.com. They make a lot of good points and pretty much, what I want to say, but straight to the point. So businesssummaries.com says, in the game of power, the people you associate with are critical. So I'm pretty sure we can establish that, right? The people that you hang with, that's the type of energy that you guys hold, right? An infector can be recognized by the misfortune they draw on themselves. Their turbulent past, a long line of broken relationships, unstable careers, the very intensity of their emotions, and force of their chapters. So pretty much those people that they want to help themselves, but they never do. And in that progress, not only are they, not helping themselves, but they're not helping you. You're actually going to start feeling like you're drowning yourself, like that dead weight is on your shoulders. Personally, I can relate to that. I've had pure intentions and I've wanted to help many people, and they didn't want to help themselves. Ultimately, what that was doing was stopping me from, pretty much achieving my own personal goals. So that's what it's really referring to. You always want to gravitate towards successful people, right? Not necessarily like just acquaint yourself with people that are successful because they're successful, but simply, surround yourself by people who share the same goals that you want or possibly have already achieved those, simply because they can share insight as well as mentorship for you. And then never associate with those who share your defects, simply because that's the opposite, right? If you share a relationship with those type of people, the people that share the same defects as you do, well, then neither of you are really going to help each other, right? So that's why they really say that, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you can't have those type of friends, right? Because they might not be able to provide anything for you, but you might be able to provide something for them, right? So you always want to help other people further their goals and your own process of growth. Don't be narcissistic, basically, right? So that pretty much sums up Law 10. Infection, avoid the unhappy and the unlucky. Let me know if you guys agree in the daily poll. Have a good night. See you guys.